Hey there geeks, Tim with MajorGeeks.com. Today we're going to show you how to change the default web browser in Windows 11. The reason for this tutorial is that there's some articles out there that Microsoft Edge has broken Edge deflector, and they're going to try and force you to use Edge. I'm not sure how this all pans out, but it's a good time to show you how to make these changes. For example, Firefox, if you click the three lines here, click Settings, there's your default browser. If you're using Chrome, 3 dots, Settings, Default browser, make default, and that might work for most situations. Now, the word on the street, and there's quite a bit of speculation, is now the Edge deflector is broken. Other web browsers have taken note, Brave and Firefox, for example, and they may want to make sure that you're still going to use their browser and not get hijacked. So, should this happen to you, we got to look at basically default apps. So let me show you here. So I could even show you where I'm going to make sure it says default before we go in, just so that we know we've done it. And as you can see, that opens default app, which is where we're going. So once again, Google Chrome, we're going to expand it. And let's get to it the hard way as well. That would be Start, just so you know, Settings. And then we're going to come down to, let's see here. I actually forgot. How do you like that? Start, Settings, Apps, Default Apps. There we go. Apps, right here. Look for default apps over here. And as you can see, that's right where Google Chrome popped this up. Now, sometimes you can type in your web browser and it'll show up. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So just scroll on down, find your browser, whatever one you're using. I'm going to use Google Chrome, of course, for the example. So as you can see, even though I've set for the default browser, it wants to open up HTML files, PDF files, and a handful others. And if you keep going down, HTTP, HTTPS, there's mail links and other stuff that not too many of you use, but you may need one of the settings down here. So what we want to do is, one at a time, which isn't too often. Most pages are HTML now. So you can just click on that, and you're going to probably get this window. I've seen 2 different windows pop up. Click Google Chrome. Let's see if I can get the other window to pop up. Nope. I had a second window pop up and it said, are you sure you want to switch? And you have to go switch anyway. So keep an eye out for that. I don't know if I got a picture of it or not, because let me see. No, pretty much the same thing you're seeing now. But for some reason earlier, that's not what I got. Now, you can change all of them. PDFs are an obvious one. If you don't use PDFs, then it's no big deal. Once again, SHTML, SVG, WebP, which are paint images, graphics that you see on the web that come down as a WebP. We have a tutorial on that as well. So you can pick paint for that. But again, you're looking for anything that doesn't match your browser. So we're in Google Chrome, obviously. And just keep right on going. And frankly, the easiest way to do it is to not sit here and do all of these. Although, as you can see, it's not going to take that long. What are we talking here? Maybe 10 times you got to do that. And who knows if they're going to switch it back again. So just get the ones that are causing you problems. So if you go and open an HTML page and it opens Edge, come in here, change it to Google Chrome, and that should solve your problem. And there you have it. There's how to hopefully change your default web browser and those default apps until we figure out what Microsoft is actually trying to do here. As always, in the bottom right hand corner, you can click subscribe, click like if we helped you out. Thanks for watching. As always, see ya.